Some SpongeBob genetics question. Let's try to apply what we have just learned. All right. Now, use the chart to identify the genotypes of the following traits. So, given the traits na ito, characteristic is for the following is body shape, body color, eye shape, and nose style. Dominant gene, big S is square pants, big Y is yellow, big R is round, big L is long, and the recessive is small S round pants, small Y is blue, small R is oval, small L is stubby. Okay, sabay-sabay yun nang i-type sa group chat yung answer natin. What would be the genotype for heterozygous round eyes and blue body? Genotype of hybrid eye shape, purebred round pants, and purebred round pants and heterozygous long nose for number 3. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to answer that. Please type in the chat box what would be the genotype. Take note, dihybrid cross yan, so I will be expecting 2 pairs of letters there. What will be the genotype for the following numbers? Thank you very much everyone who participated. Tingnan natin kung tama ang sagot ninyo. Heterozygous round eyes and blue body will be the following. Big R, and small y. Because the body color is blue, kaya small y. Heterozygous siya, so you only have 1 big letter. And then since round eyes would be the big R, so you have a big R, small R. Very good. How about the hybrid eye shape? The answer to this is big R, small s, because they're purebred round. Pag sinabing purebred, it means both letters are the same. So you have small, only the way that round pants will be able to be produced is a smallest and smallest. Kaya smallest siya. Hybrid eye shape naman is big R and a small r. Very good. And purebred round pants would be small s, and big L and small l. Tama ba? Purebred round pants. Yes, small s. Heterozygous long nose, big L and small l. Okay, very good everyone. So nag-gets natin yan and I hope you were able to get that. Let's go to the next question. Okay, ito. So ibigay ko ng diretso para hindi tayo maubusan ng time. As we know, SpongeBob is heterozygous for his yellow body color and his square pants, while his wife, Sponge Susie, is blue and has round pants. Use this information to answer the following question. So SpongeBob is heterozygous na. So what's the genotype for SpongeBob? Kung siya ay yellow body color and heterozygous for the square pants. So ang yellow body color is big Y, pero heterozygous siya, so big Y, small y. Square pants naman is also heterozygous, kaya siya ay big S and also small s. So that will be the genotype of SpongeBob. Heterozygous for both gene pairs. Si Sponge Susie naman is blue and round pants. For you to produce blue, kailangan ay small y. For you to produce round pants, kailangan ay small s. So you have that genotype as well. So you just have to make use of the given para masagutan natin yan. Alright, what are the possible gamete combination for each person? So for SpongeBob, you get the big Y and the big S, the big Y and the small s, the small y and the big S, the small y and the small s. So that will be the gamete combination. Why are we using gamete combination? Kasi gagamitin natin sa Punnett square a little bit later. For Sponge Susie, very easy. Isa lang yung kanyang gamete combination. So instead of combining, you just make one combination, the small y and the small s. Okay, that's how you get the gametes. Okay, thumbs up kung nag-gets natin up to letter B. Nag-gets natin yan. Okay, very good. Finally, the question naman is complete the Punnett square and you will be getting the chances for the letter D. Let's combine din sa Punnett square. So for SpongeBob, nakuha na natin yung kanyang gametes. So you just have to put it here. So that gametes here. And for Sponge Susie is over here. So actually, you don't have to fill up everything kasi isa lang naman ang gamete type ni Sponge Susie. So to get the first box is big Y and small y, big S and small s. For the second box is big Y and small y, small s and small s. The small y and small y, big S and small s. and the small y, small s, small s. Yan. Okay, so that's the children that they were able to produce. Letter D, what is the chance of the blue baby? So ano ang color nitong big y, small y? So siya ay yellow. Tapos big S, small s naman is round pants. So meron ba tayong ano? Okay, wala pala tayong phenotype. So this is yellow square pants. The second one is yellow round pants. The third one is blue square pants. And blue round pants naman ang last natin. So we have how many blues? 1, 2. Kaya 50% siya out of 4. How many blue square pants do we have? Blue and then square pants is this one. So since this is just 1 out of 4, you have 25%. 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4 possible children. For the chance of a square pants, you have to get the square pants. How many square pants do we have? We have a square pants in the first box. We have a square pants on the third box. Out of 4 of them, you have 50%. How many purebred recessive for both traits? This is purebred for the first trait, purebred for the second trait. How many of this? One child out of 4, you have 25%. And that ends our discussion.